Today I am going to explain about how to create the Spring Boot project using String Initializer. Okay, so here you can select if you want Maven project, you can select Maven. If you want Spring Boot version 3.0, you can select 3.0. So this is the root name, this is the artifact name. Okay, here you can add the dependencies. You can click on here, add dependencies. Okay, if you want to Lambo, you can add dependencies here. Spring Web is the main dependency, Spring Data JPA, Spring Data MongoDB. So here you can select Java version, and if you want to var file or jar file, you can select here and click generate. So then it is created Spring Boot project here. So this is the way to create the Spring Boot application. Thank you for watching.